Everyone, welcome to the code desk. In the previous video, we have successfully created the folder structure for our application. Now, in this video, I am going to show you how to create the Node.js project, how to run the projects before we start or writing the code in the our applications. So, first of all, I have already created the readme.txt files where whatever component we have to install, we have already write out. So first of all, we have to run the command, open terminal, and run the command npm init y. If you not use y, you have to fill all the default details. Otherwise, if you use y, it will already come with the fill all the details. So this means you have successfully installed the or package or dependency. So package.json is created. Now we have to use the TypeScript. So then we have to run this command. So as you can see, the dependency is whatever dependency do you have installed, it will come and display here in the dependencies section. Now I am going to use TypeScript. Then we have to use TS. So you can install this file is generated. Now you have to just replace this code. Now remove all this code and replace with this. So it will mention the what is the target, common JS, which is the root directory, is our source code, and output directory is strict, and then so on. Now we have to modify the code to run our applications. So we have to change the script.js JSON. So we have to use and modify here. So we give you where is the start point of view. The reason of this day build and start it pointing to where our project start, which file has to refer to start the application. So this file is the starting point of our application. Someone is called the server.ts and all those things. But make sure whatever name you written here, it will the starting point of your applications. So we have set the start point or application. Now I'm going to use Nodemon to automatically start the services. You have to run and install. Now create one JSON folder, one JSON file, and just copy paste this command. It is the same for giving the path where the application is going to be start. Now we can use the Express for routing the applications. It's a web framework that help in the routing request and response. So in this way, as for the we have successfully installed the basic requirement for our Node.js project or services to run. Now we have to modify the code here and open the index.txt file. Now open app.txt file and write the command import express from express. Then we can, but I'm going to use this in the start.file. So we can copy here, paste here, use import from app and port number, port default app. We are not going to use here because our file is index.ts or start file. So as you can see, we have just write the nominal code to run. We have created the app from Express. Then it's for just for the testing purpose and return. Now entry point, we have created the port 3000. Then port, if it's working, then it will show you the URL. Now you can start with npm run dev. If you got the output like this, you can copy, open any browser, and just paste. If you got the hello output, hello is coming from here. It's just for the testing purpose, whether the application is running or not. So you can just copy paste this URL, so you get the your application or server Node.js server is running or not. So if it's running, then the application is configured successfully and output get. If you can not running, if you can close it and then try again, so you get for not found. So you have to run again, then go to terminal and write the code npm run dev. Then again just enter. So it's working. So I'm just recap here. It is running because you have used the ts mode script and index.ts file. We have using dev to run the application. I hope you understand clearly what are the dependency and where to start and which order we have to install the dependencies. So thank you for watching this video.